Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having a crossing issue in the command line window with the error message elevated permissions are required to run a DSAM. Use an elevated command prompt to complete this task. So the requested operations requires elevations simply indicates the Windows User Account Control or UAC is blocking the installations or is waiting for confirmations to continue with the installations. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable user account controls. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong control panel, so dito lang sa top right corner and dito lang sa search control, ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung UAC. Ayan. And then automatic na mag-a-appear ka agad dito yung security and maintenance. And then yung change user account control settings. In the next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong change user account control settings. So i-click lang natin yan. And automatic na pop up itong user account control settings. Choose when to be notified about changes to your computer. So kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off or i-disable natin. So ibaba natin yung arrow na yan. And then select dito yung never notify, and then dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to enable the run new task option. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. So dito lang sa blank space area ng ating taskbar, kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And once na-open mo na tong task manager, ang next step ay dito lang sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung run new task with the plus sign. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa left side menu at dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD. Ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang i-check dito yung box na yan to create this task with administrative privilege. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung okay. And once na-open na tong administrator command prompt, and then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter dito yung dsm space/online space/cleanup-image space/restore health. So copy lang natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C, and ipipaste natin dito at gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. And then kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next step or next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong CMD, is to set up a command prompt shortcut. Kung paano ba natin gawin? So all you have to do is to right click on the desktop screen. So right click ka lang. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung new. And then select mo lang dito yung shortcut. So dito lang sa type the locations of the item. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na cmd.exe. And then ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung next. And dito naman sa type a name for this shortcut. So, pwede natin ilagay dito yung name na elevated. Ayan. So, pwede natin ilagay dito na elevated command prompt. So, pwede mong i-rename yan or anything you want na name, pwede po siya. And then, once nilagay mo na dito or na-rename mo na, and then, click mo lang dito yung finish. And then, makikita mo na dito na nakapag-create na tayo ng command prompt shortcut. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix elevated permissions are required to run a DSAM in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.